Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to customize your Samsung phone fast and easy with a few applications and steps. Let's dive right in. The original Samsung One UI screen looks cool and is already very customizable when compared to devices like iPhones, but you can take it even further by adding your personal touch with other applications. First, you're going to go ahead and open the Google Play Store and download the app KWGT. This is a custom widget maker and will be very useful in this process, so go ahead and download it. Next, you're going to download a custom icon pack. For this demonstration, I will be using the Simply Minimal Custom Icon Pack, so you can go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store. You're free to download any custom icon pack of your liking. They all work in a similar manner, but to get this specific look, I will be using this custom icon pack. The next app I'll be downloading is called Wallpapers by Google. This one is also optional as you can use any wallpaper of your choice, but this specific wallpaper grabbed my attention to blend well with the look I am going for, and it is also free. Then the final and most crucial app you'll need to download is Goodlock. Now this application isn't in the Google Play Store. You will have to go and download it from the Samsung Galaxy App Store. Once in the Samsung Galaxy Store, search for Goodlock and install it. Goodlock is an app made by Samsung to help you maximize the customization you're able to achieve on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now, open Goodlock and install Theme Park. Once Theme Park is installed, open it and grant it access to your files so it can work properly and get the job done. When you're in Theme Park, at the bottom, you'll see a menu. Look for Icon and tap on it. Then tap Create New. At the top of your screen, you'll see an option saying Icon Pack. Tap on it and select the Simply Minimal Icon Pack that we installed earlier from the Google Play Store. Then at the top right corner, hit the download icon and give your icon pack a name of your choice, then hit OK. Now since the icon pack is installed, just select it and hit apply and it will be activated on your device. The next step now is to select your wallpaper. If you want to use the one I am using, go ahead and open the wallpaper app we downloaded earlier from the Google Play Store and select this wallpaper. Remember, you're free to use any wallpaper of your liking. The last step is to install this cool custom widget. Now you're going to open the KWGT app we downloaded from the Google Play Store earlier, go through the setup process and hit next to continue. Now you will have to create a special folder so the app can save the data on your phone. Be sure to name that folder custom or it won't work properly. Once you're finished, go back to the home screen and long press and hold, then tap the widgets option, then scroll and select KWGT. Now select the 3x2 option and drag and drop it to your home screen. Now tap the placeholder and open the KWGT and select any custom widgets you want to use. In this case, I will be using this one. Click OK all the way and it will be set to your home screen. Now to edit the widget to make it bigger and change the color, just open the KWGT app and hold the widget you have running. Now go in the editor and edit it to your liking by adjusting the size, position, and the color. Remember to hit save at the top right corner after you make any changes for the widgets for it to be reflected on your home screen. Now from here, you can move around your apps however you want and adjust your widgets to your liking. Just remember that you can get even more creative with your Samsung device, especially with Goodlock. But this is a great start to test out the features available and learn how exactly this whole custom icons and widget thing works. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to you. Or if you have any recommendations or video ideas, drop them there and I will take a look. I'm Chevon Beckford. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before August. Let's grow together as a community and see you guys in the next one.